is designing homes in seconds. Does this mean interior designers are done? Stick around because the answer will surprise you. From GPT-4o to AI-powered rendering tools like Midjourney and interior AI, tech is changing the game. But is it really replacing human creativity or just making designers more powerful? AI's impact on interior design. AI can instantly generate design ideas. It can predict trends and suggest colors. Clients can visualize spaces before construction even starts. Looks amazing, right? But here's the problem. Why AI won't replace designers? AI lacks emotional intelligence. It doesn't understand personal tastes and unique needs. It can't handle complex real world problems. Who's going to talk to the contractors? The future. AI plus human designers equals superpower. Smart designers will use AI to speed up work and wow clients. Think of AI like a super assistant, not a boss. What do you think? Will AI take over design or is it just a hype? Drop a comment below.
Subscribe to AME's Marketing and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update.